All right. It's Angelo with Angelo's Edge here. We're going to try something a little different here. We're doing, we set up this new software. It's OBS broadcast. It's for real streaming and stuff like that. But I've been playing around with it, and I'll try unboxing this knife here. Got a few weeks ago from Walmart. It's an assisted opening knife. It's like $5. So it's a 3.5 inch blade, 8 inches over length, assisted opening, stainless steel blade. So I don't really tell you what it is. So it's not super expensive. It's $5. So here's what it looks like. Pop it out of the box. Oh man, it's stuck in there good. Don't want to come out. There it is. All right, there it is. There's the assisted. Kind of, it's all right for $5. It's looks like it kind of looks like Micarta G10. I don't know if it says what it is. Don't really say. It almost looks like Micarta, but I doubt it's Micarta. Probably more G10. Has like almost a Tonto blade shape, almost. Has, like I said, only tip down carry. Liner lock. Oh, let's see, black and gold. Let's see what this camera. Here's this camera's view. So you see this. Yeah, it's all right. $5. I'm gonna try something. What I can do with this software now. Check this out. Let me get it. Bear with me. Bam. Check that out. Yeah. You should be seeing me up in the corner. I'm should be somewhere up here. But here's a Walmart online. It is $5. It's Ozark Trail assisted opening knife, model 554. Only one left, so you better get it if you want to get on there. Probably by the time this video gets posted, it'll probably be long gone. But I'm sure they might have them in your store. Oh, it's one left in Oberlin. Oh, anyway, so you better get ready, get going, I guess. But that's kind of all this stuff I could do with this software, which is pretty sweet. Not much more to say. It's not really a whole lot information on this knife. It's just basically show you different pictures. What I just showed you. Oh, you can zoom in. So there you go. This don't quite look the same. Oh, this is a little different knife. Well, I guess this is not quite the same knife. My bad. Oh well. What are you gonna do? It's the first time I tried this software, so. I'm sorry.
What are you gonna do? You have to redo with your video.
I'm not gonna redo it. It's a $5 knife. I'm sure they'll be all right with it. Here, check this out. We can go to Angelo's Edge on here. You can see all my other videos too. There's Angelo's Edge on YouTube. It's more. This isn't really I mean, it's an unboxing, but it's just really to play around with this new software. So there's all my videos I have. Get on there if you want. It's Angelo's Edge. So go ahead and subscribe, and we go back to here. You see, let's do back to me, and here's this knife again. So yeah, so real quick video. It has about 50% lockup. I don't know if this camera shows any better. Not really, but the liners are not skeletonized, and that's pretty much what it is. It is what it is. It's $5 at Walmart. Not gonna break the bank. I don't know how long it'll stay sharp or anything like that. It's just a stainless. But anyways, remember to go to Angelo's Edge and smash that bell and subscribe. Alright, I'll see you guys later.